Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon's Great Indian Sale are coming next month. A lot of people want to buy iPhones in those sales at an enticing price. A lot of customers are confused between iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. They cannot decide which phone to buy in this Big Billion Days sale or Amazon's Great Indian Sale. Today in this video, I will try to clarify your doubts regarding iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, and it will help you in your buying decision. The difference between iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 are minor. In fact, iPhone 14 is a slight upgrade from last year's iPhone 13. Talking about iPhone 14, there are some improvements to camera along with the addition of features like crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite. If you are someone who is using iPhone 11 or older devices, you will notice some bigger changes in iPhone 14. In comparison to iPhone 11 or older devices, there is a slight improvement in terms of camera and performance. You will get A15 Bionic chipset along with iPhone 14, though A15 Bionic chip is also available in iPhone 13s. In both iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, you will get 6.1 inches OLED display with a resolution of 1170 into 2532 pixels with a pixel density of 457 ppi. At the rear, you will get 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and 12 megapixel wide-angle sensor, and there is a 12 megapixel front shooter in both iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. In terms of battery, iPhone 14 has a slightly better battery, though it is not drastically bigger. iPhone 13 comes with 3227 mAh battery, whereas iPhone 14 comes with 3279 mAh battery. As both the iPhones come with the same A15 Bionic chipset, you can expect a similar performance from both of these devices, though iPhone 14 comes with 6 GB of RAM, whereas iPhone 13 comes with 4 GB of RAM. So you can expect a boost in performance in iPhone 14. Since iPhone 14 was launched 1 year later, it will get software updates extra 1 year. At present, both the devices are running on iOS 16.6. Apple will soon release the iOS 17 update for both the iPhones. Regarding the display, both iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 come with HDR display, but it is a 60 Hz refresh rate display. Apple should have provided at least 90 Hz in iPhone 14. In Big Billion Days or Amazon's Great Indian Sale, the price of both iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 will come down very low. The price of iPhone 14 may come down to 50,000 or below, whereas the price of iPhone 13 may come down to 42 to 44K. So in the conclusion, should you buy iPhone 13 or iPhone 14? During festival sale, the price difference between iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 is about 6,000 rupees. After spending 6,000 rupees more, you will get 2 GB extra RAM, accent mode in the camera, and 1 year software update more. If I had to buy or choose among iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, I would definitely buy iPhone 14 because after spending 6,000 rupees, I would have got more features, more software update, more RAM. But if you are in a tight budget and you cannot stretch your budget up to 50K, then you can consider iPhone 13. iPhone 13 is also an excellent device, whether be it camera, whether it is battery backup or display. Everything is top notch. So which iPhone are you going to buy in the festive sale? Let me know in the comment sections. I hope I have satisfied your queries regarding these two smartphones. This video is made with a lot of effort, so if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.